Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. It is lovely to have you. Happy December 1st, happy holidays, Merry Christmas. Today, OHM Beads officially starts, which is so exciting. I'm going to be hosting day 15, but instead of having it on Instagram, like I usually do with OHM when I host BEADMAS, I'm actually going to be doing it on YouTube this year, which I'm so thrilled about. I'm very excited. Have some ideas of how I want to do the giveaway, so definitely stay tuned for December 15th video. I kind of want it to be like kind of off the top of my head. I'm thinking like a cozy, maybe chit-chatty style video with a bit of the giveaway in there mixed in, so very excited. Now, reason why you probably clicked on this video, I'm going to be sharing a preview of both the OHM Beads 2024 November release as well as their December release. Now, my November box was very delayed in getting here, which I was actually a little disappointed by because the bead that I designed for BEADMAS back in, I think it was in 2022. Yeah, 2022. I teamed up with my little team. It was a bunch of us. You guys might remember from my 25 days of sparkle videos. We designed a bead together and it is part of the November release. So it's well worth the wait. Needless to say, so I'm very excited to share that bead with you as well as the other pieces in the November release. I'm going to share our bead design in this video, but I'm going to go in a lot more depth in another video, so stay tuned for that. As mentioned, we're going to take a look at the December release, which I'm actually already wearing pieces from it. You might be able to spot here. So I have like kind of a layered necklace design look. I am wearing one of the gorgeous pieces you're going to see. Do you see this beautiful star? You're going to see more about this in just a minute. And then I'm also wearing the little Ice Queen tiara. That's from last year's OHM Beads December release, but I'm also wearing a gorgeous new glass bead that came out. And then on the Resilience note, it's kind of hard to see, but I have it on a little mini bracelet design with some beads by Mr. Bead. My friend Allie, who is also on our OHM Beads Team Resilience BEADMAS group for designing Resilient, she sent me these two beads from Mr. Bead and I just love them. And I'm like, my first design with Resilience, I am gonna, spoiler alert, that's our bead name, I'm gonna put it on here. So that's a quick look at the jewelry of the day. If you're ready to unbox and preview November and December from OHM Beads, of course, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea. I'm enjoying some Santa's Secret black tea from David's Tea. It's kind of like a minty black tea. It is so delicious. It's a lovely Christmas treat that I enjoy having as just a latte or just on its own with a splash of milk. It's so good. So anyway, without further ado, a virtual cheers, and let's head on over into today's video. All right, we'll put our tea there, and this is the November box. So I'm very excited to share this with you guys because one of the beads in here for BEADMAS, my team and I, we designed one of the beads in here. So I'm so excited to see it in real life. Very excited. I will be making a separate video about this bead just to talk a lot more in depth about the design process, how my team and I came up with the ideas for it, and all of that. So there it is. You can see the little image here. This is the bead we designed. It's called Resilience. And then we have two other beads to take a look at. The glass looks gorgeous. And look at the sleigh. Looks so fun. All right, so here is a look at the release. We have Resilience, and I will talk a little bit about it, but yeah, stay tuned for a full video on this bead and some styling. I'm very excited to share that with you. We have the 2025 Sugar Sleigh Ride. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. We have the Twisted Bangle 2.0, and we have Elemental Enchantment. So there is a look at the new collection. So excited about that. And then we have our three beads to look at, and then oh, this is scented. All their boxes are little PR boxes that you can get to. They're always scented, and I don't know what the scent is in this, but it smells so good. I can probably look that up at some point. So we'll just start in no order. I don't know what's inside, so let's just take a look together. Oh, it looks like we have the 2025 Sugar Sleigh Ride. Oh my gosh, it looks so cute. So let's zoom in on this one. The 2025 Sugar Sleigh Ride has a 60s inspired vibe theme to it. You can almost imagine little like lights and stuff going on this like sleigh. It's kind of cool because it kind of combines a vehicle with the sleigh, which is really fun. You can see little cutout star details, all the groovy, fun details on it. Bead says this is like kind of like a psychedelic merriment and groovy tune. So you can picture Santa riding on the sleigh, listening to 60s music and having a wonderful festive time. I love how you can just see all the little details of the car. There's a lot of packages up in there. It almost looks like a Santa hat at the top too, which is really cute. You can find the hallmarks on the bottom of the bead. And what I love about this, I slid this onto my twisted bangle. It kind of just like slides on, like, you know, it's like in motion. It was just really fun. It really pops out on the bangle design too. And I love this. It's super fun. Very excited to design with this, style with this. All right, so that's our first look. Now we're gonna head over to the next bead. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see oh, this is Resilience. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I have not seen this in real life at all. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. So it is inspired by a dandelion. So the one side of it, it's the dandelion when it's in full bloom. And then on the other side, it is when it becomes a little puff ball. That beautiful white fluffy puff ball, and we have a figure of a woman on it. So let's zoom in on this one. I love it. It turned out so amazing. I'm going to read you our description, my team and I's description of Resilience. Resilience captures the spirit of survival and strength. This sterling silver bead tells the story of transformation through the dandelion's journey from vibrant bloom to ethereal puffball. At the heart of the design, a figure stands poised, arms crossed in defiance, her broken shackles a testament to liberation and unity. Each seed of the dandelion, her wings, symbolizes the spread of courage and solidarity. This bead is a tribute to those who rise above adversity, representing the unstoppable force of women standing together, resilient and unbreakable. Let Resilience remind you of the power within to heal, grow, and inspire. Now, proceeds from this bead will be donated to Vancouver Rape Relief, which is amazing of OHM Beads, so thank you so much. I am so happy and amazed with how Resilience turned out. It's a beautiful, dainty bead. You can wear it as a necklace, so we have a little hole at the top, so you can wear it as a pendant necklace piece if you want, or you can add it on to your bracelet design. And I'm just so proud of my team and I for creating this amazing bead. Our team name was Resilience, and we just ended up ultimately calling the bead itself Resilience too. And I just love all the details. OHM Beads did a wonderful job. And looking at this, I just think of all of my team members and all of our different input into this design and creating it. And I'm just so proud, and I hope they all love it too. I think so. I'm not sure if they've all gotten it yet, but very happy with it. All right, so we'll put Resilience back over here. And now we have the last box for the November preview. And this one must be the Elemental. And oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Look at that, like icy kind of sky blue. It definitely looks like snow. Like you're looking at like the snow falling from the sky, or like an iceberg with that hint of blue. There's some little bits of like kind of glittery detail to it. It is beautiful. Actually, I just want to say this, like, at least for the one that I got, because glass can vary in like the color and everything. It is such a lovely sky, like icy blue with the white. I might need a second one of these because this is, oh, it's so beautiful. And it's a beautiful triangular shape with the glass. Okay, so let's zoom in on this one. Here's what OHM Beads has to say about Elemental Enchantment. In a forgotten grove where whispers of the earth and sky met, there was a young one who spoke to the elements. They hummed with the wind, danced with the flames, and wept with the rain. Each night, under the moon's gaze, they wove these forces into a shimmering tapestry, a blend of strength and grace. One twilight, as the stars blinked awake, their creation came alive, rippling with energy, a testament to harmony and balance. All right, so that is a look at the November preview. Now we're gonna head over to the December. If you have a favorite from the November preview, please let me know down below in the comments. You know what, I don't think it's fair for me to put Resilience in the running because obviously I love it because of my team and I designing it and the meaning behind it. So if I can only pick from the other two beads, the Elemental Enchantment I think is gorgeous. Mine is a lot more blue than what it looks like in that photo. Okay, so now we're gonna head over into our October, oh my goodness, into our December box. It looks really fun. You can see there's like some fun glitter detail on here, so that looks really cool. Just kind of open the top there. So my friends Angie, Rita, and Nicole and their team, they designed a new version of Stardust, which has always been on my wish list, the original one. So it's right there. We have another glass bead, and oh my gosh, we have a little star spacer, it looks like. So here are the new pieces that are releasing. So we have Stardust 2.0, which you can see there. There's the Star Serenade Spacer. We have the Swirl Connection Duo Lock. That looks so cool. You can see it has like little bits of the OHM logo on there. And then the last one right here, it says Galactic Glitters, and it looks gorgeous. So I'm very excited to take a look at these. Oh my gosh, look how festive it is inside. It has like all this fun little tinsel in the like rose gold and gold. I love that. And I don't even know what this is. This looks really neat. Maybe we'll save that for, do we save that for last or open now? Maybe let's just open it now since it's here. What is this? Let's see. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. They're little glow in the dark stars. Oh my gosh. And you can hang them up on your wall or wherever you want them. That is so, I'm so glad I opened this first. That is so like on theme for the December preview. Oh my gosh. I love this. Look at those. They're little plastic stars. These will be so fun to put up. I guess I can leave them in there. They kind of need to like a little bit of light so they'll glow, but they're kind of glowing in the box already. That is so fun. All right, so in no order again, we're going to be surprised at each of the beads that we pull out here. It looks like we're getting the glass. So this one again is called the Galactic Glitters. Oh my gosh, it's this gorgeous kind of purpley blue. There's a little bit of gold, little glitter chunks. Okay, let's zoom in on this glass bead.
In the boundless tapestry of the cosmos, where the stars twinkle and wane, Galactic Glitters, a luminous slim treasure, captures the very essence of those distant celestial fires. For though the sparkles may seem to drift into the background, becoming ever more remote in the vast expanse of your mind, their brilliance remains undiminished. A constant reminder that even in the farthest reaches of our imaginations and dreams, the light of our aspirations and hopes shines just as brightly.
All right, so let's put that back in here for now. We're gonna move on to the next box. And actually, you know what? I'm gonna steal a cup of tea for a quick sec. I love Santa's Secret. I can't believe it's already that time of year. And by the way, this is the Heart of the Woods OHM Beads mugs. If you didn't know, OHM Beads does a ton of special mugs, and I love this one. It's like one of my go-to mugs. So next box we have, oh my gosh, I didn't know they were gonna send this. I'm so excited. This is the Swirl Connection Duo Lock. So basically this can attach two bracelets together. So I'm very excited to style with this. I think you also could do like a necklace kind of design with it. There's a lot you can do. What I like is it kind of, if you want like one bracelet to stay with the other bracelet, like a certain design, it keeps it in place. And I just think it's a beautiful bead on its own. You have all those beautiful OHM logos detailing to it. And then, oh my gosh, yeah, it has a little flap that you open, and then the rest of it opens up like that, which is probably hard to see right now. So let's zoom in on this so we can take a closer look.
Swirl Connection is such an innovative design, and it's so versatile. In this video, I show it with two bangles, but you also can do it with another version of an OHM Beads bracelet, like their snake chain, the skinny, things like that. It's really secure, so I'm not worried about it opening up at all. Inside of it too, they have little silicone grips, so it actually keeps literally the bracelet in place. It doesn't just connect them, but it keeps the bracelets from moving around on your wrist. So it's all, like, it'll move around on your wrist, but the bracelets will always stay together. So you have a design and you want it to like kind of stay the exact same way when you're stacking. They all stay together, which I think is so clever. They say that Swirl Connection, it offers things about like kind of symbolizing a seamless union, merging styles and sentiments, which I think is really cool. Here's a look at it on my wrist. I didn't want to do like a crazy design. I just kind of wanted to share with you just kind of a very simple look at it. So I just have it with the twisted bangle as well as the plain bangle. And then here's one last look at it so you can see it. It's so beautiful. I'm excited to style with this.
I love that little detail. That's so fun, and I love their little lock to hold it in place. All right, so that was our look at Swirl Connection, the duo lock, and we're gonna head into the second last box. Oh, I bet this is the Star Serenade Spacer. It is. Oh my goodness, it is very dainty. It's very, oh, it's so sweet. This, you have to get a second one of this in my opinion. It's so sweet, and it would frame a bead that you love so beautifully. I just love the little twinkle. It's very shiny in that sterling silver. Let's zoom in on this one.
Gaze into the infinite tapestry of the cosmos, a celestial design adoring you with luminescent grace. This creation mirrors the brilliance of the stars, eliciting the profound beauty and mystery of the universe.
Okay, so that was our little look at the sweet little Star Serenade Spacer. And now we're on our last one, which is the Stardust 2.0. And this is what Angie, Rita, and Nicole designed with their team for BEADMAS. These BEADMAS beads are so special. And as I mentioned with Resilience, the proceeds will be being donated to the charity that they chose. I'm blanking on the charity they chose. I think it might have been the children's, oh, what's it called? Like the Children's Wish Foundation. Look at the back. It all has all these cutout stars. It is just like a lovely wishing star. It is gorgeous. So let's zoom in on this one.
Stardust is a star-shaped bead with star-shaped cutouts on the back that symbolize dreams, the infinite universe, and the magic that connects them. It represents love, faith, and the wonder of the winter holidays as each cutout lets light pass through, creating a beautiful dance of hope and possibility. Stardust is a reminder that the universe is full of magic, love, and dreams waiting to come true.
All right, you guys, so that is a look at this. Oh my goodness, that was so fun to open. I'm gonna grab my tea and we will just chat a little bit. And that is it for today's OHM Beads preview and unboxing of the November and December boxes. I'd love to know what beads are your favorites. Please let me know down below. If you are interested in any of the items, I will have all the names and links on where you can find them in the description bar of this video. You're also welcome to use my ambassador code Emily. It'll save you 22% off nature and flower themed beads. So if you're looking to purchase a little special gift for yourself or perhaps a loved one and you love nature and flower themed beads like me, use my ambassador code because it will save you 22% off your purchases with those themes. So thank you so much, OHM Beads, for offering that. I'm really looking forward to filming an in-depth video of Resilience and telling you a lot more detail about that. But you might have seen, like I did share a little bit on Instagram, and I think definitely in my 25 days of sparkle, it's kind of like my version of Vlogmas in those videos I did. And if you're wondering about 25 days of sparkle, I'm still a full-time university student, so it's so hard to film a video every day when you're especially like in school and just trying to get that done. But I'm kind of hoping I might be able to do either like a 12 days of sparkle series, like just when I'm finishing up exams, I could start it and kind of head into the holidays with you guys, or kind of even if it's like a 5-day or just something. I'd love to try to do some Christmas vlogs and just add that in here. I also have so many other vlogs I still need to edit from last year and all these things, but school is keeping me busy, needless to say. I'd love to know how you guys are all doing. I know this season is quite busy for everyone, whether it's work-wise, school-wise, family, friends, like events, all these different things. So it's nice just to have some time just to like enjoy a cup of tea, play with some jewelry, some Christmas bracelet, holiday designs, and just take a moment and just relax too amidst the hustle and the bustle of the season. But anyway, I am wishing you all a wonderful, magical rest of your day. I will see you December 15th for sure for a little BEADMAS giveaway here on YouTube. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye for now, you guys. Take care.